on? You doing okay with the morning? Eh? You get a steamy check? Huh? You get a steamy?
Nah, bro, I didn't get mine yet. I'm surprised.
You don't get a steamy? Eh?
I get one. I get one, but I didn't get it yet.
You gotta have some direct deposit, you know?
Yeah, direct deposit. I do. These motherfuckers didn't send me mine yet.
What's the matter with these guys, huh?
What's the matter with white people?
That's what I like. I like it when some people spinning the wheels, eh? Spinning the wheels. I get invited to a fiesta myself, and I show up just a bunch of white guys, huh? Sitting around talking about a race car driving and bull riding, and no, I don't want to talk about that stuff. I say, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna find me a white woman. Take back
a woman and a cerveza and make it
back to the garbage can, and you know, I like one of these, you know. Only a white woman you see ass go like this, like the side of a fucking cliff. It's not, you know. I tell you what I was doing. I was doing last night. Some of that. I was doing some of that for the Nuevo Año, eh?
Yo, hey fam, not feeling the best. Hannah, what's up, love? I hope you feel better, girl. You know I love you. Cool. Where'd he go? Oh, sorry, Hannah. I hope you feel better. Yeah, we hope you feel better, love. I heard people are getting double that, though. I don't know, but all I'm getting is $600 motherfucking dollars.
Happy New Year, Daddy. Oh. Happy New Year, Daddy. I miss you, Daddy. It's 2021. You're gonna invite me back to the nest to have some fun, Daddy. I miss your beak, Daddy. You know I never snitch on you, Daddy. Yay! We lived another year. Yay! Yay!
Yeah, girl, you better be still on the corner, fucking on 54th and Sesame, doing your job.
Apparently, you don't get a stimulus check when you haven't paid taxes in 3 years, and all you've been doing is selling this pussy. Apparently, they didn't give you one, Daddy. Apparently, they didn't give you one, Daddy, but I ain't never snitch on you, Daddy.
No, you never did. You never did. I'm gonna see you later. Don't worry. We're gonna talk later when I come get my pay cut. I'll see you.
Yay! I miss Daddy Bird. I can't wait to suck that beak. Austin, come here. Let me practice, you fucking junkie.
Oh my God!
Look, Daddy, I do face sitting too. I can ride Oscar's face, Daddy. I'll do anything you want on camera, Daddy. I ain't never snitch on you, Daddy. Happy 2021, Daddy.
What the fuck? You savage. She could dance too. She could shake that bacon. Yo, anybody who fucking likes bacon, holla at me. I'll give you a discount. I got this bitch working on the corner of 54th and Sesame, fucking doing tricks for me. So let me know. I'll give you that discount. Cool. Put your man on the floor. And you up in. Now what you want? Make me up. Put your man on the floor. If he ain't, let me know. Stop, you savage. You're gonna get banned, you psycho. I'm dead. Let's go. Ice Dragon. Oh, what the fuck? That was so close. Fucking motherfucker. Hannah, thank you, love. That was so close.
I hate it when they tease you with them wheels, Daddy. I hate it when they tease you, Daddy. You know I ain't never tease you, Daddy. You know I take the whole beak. At least I do the best I can. I do the best I can, Daddy. I ain't never got the whole thing down my fucking sugar hole, Daddy, but at least I do the best I can. It's mad girthy at the base, Daddy. It's like a fucking missile dick, Daddy. I love that beak. Give me that beak, Daddy. Dad! Give me Yay! 2021! Yay! Hold on, I'm gonna do a quick line of coke before I go broke. Woo! Daddy! Beat me in the ass! Beat me in the ass all day!
What's going on right now?
Hold on, I'm gonna just pull this down. Let me pull this down. I'm gonna give you a little show.
Hannah,
I'm gonna
let's
give you a
go.
little show, Daddy. A little. They tease you with them wheels, Daddy. I'm gonna tease you too, huh?
I'm gonna tease you.
Huh? I'm gonna tease you too, huh? You miss this, Daddy? You like it when I do it like this, Daddy? You like it when I do it like this? Like it when I do it like this? Like it when I do it like this? Like it when I do it like this?
What the fuck? Yo, who's gonna be the first one to take one for the team right now? Because I can't hit that anymore. Hannah's going off. Let's go. My love, thank you. She's sick and shit too.
Daddy, when we get done with this street hustle game, hold on 1 second, Daddy. I'm gonna finish my question in a second. I'm back, Daddy. Daddy, where you go? Daddy, they catch you, Daddy. What happened? What happened to Daddy?
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Daddy, oh, I got scared.
I got
scared. I never see your beak again.
dead. Everybody's favorite fucking stock right now. Y'all gotta holler at Miss Piggy and fucking an Oscar and Cookie on his stream too.
Hey, everybody. I'm a pig in a wig.
Take it away. Good goal. This is better than TV. Facts. This shit is fucking on another level. We out here. This is fucking Sesame Street going rated R, going bad after dark.
Daddy. Can I ask you a question, Daddy?
Sure.
When we get done with this street hustle, Daddy, and we got enough money to retire, you gonna wife me up, Daddy? You gonna tell me I always been the one, Daddy? You gonna tell me I always been the one, Daddy? Best tell me I always been the one, Daddy. Tell me I always been the one. Give me the right. Tell me I always been the one, Daddy. I ain't never snitched on you, Daddy. I ain't never snitched on you.
Some fucking air. Yo, anybody who's new, come up top, hit that favorite button, and fucking favorite stock. Let's go. If you don't fucking me in stock, your mom's a hoe. That's scientific fucking facts right there. 5 + 5 is 10. If you don't favorite me in stock motherfucking options, your mom's a hoe. Okay, cool.
Fucking for Daddy. This is how I make dollars for Daddy. Dollars for Daddy.
I walk, I ran, I jumped up right off the ground to flow to you. There's no gravity to hold me down.
Let's go. Thank you. Thank you.
Somehow I'm still alive inside. Took my breath, but I survived. I don't know how, but I don't even care.
How do you expect me to live alone with just me?
What the fuck is that? Is that 2 Miss Piggies?
Daddy, you seeing double. Now you in trouble. You must want me bad, Daddy. You must want me bad, Daddy.
What the fuck? There's 2 of them? I can't even handle
Girls,
one.
get back in there, girls. I get back to work. I apologize. Listen, I apologize, huh? Let me take a second to apologize, huh? I'll take a second to apologize, huh? Everybody shut the fuck up for a second. I apologize. Okay.
Wait, you have to go. Let me take a second to apologize to absolutely nobody.
Fuck that Irish prick. Khabib ruined them. Khabib ruined them. He might be coming back in 2021, but Khabib, his legacy is done. It's just cemented, huh?
Oh, Sabrina, what's up, love? Happy New Year. Cool.
Khabib's legacy is as cemented in place as my bad eye, huh? It's not going nowhere, huh?
Happy New Year, love. Cool.
Hey, Cookie,
What's going on?
did you tell him what we did?
What the fuck are you talking about, huh? What we do? I didn't do nothing, huh? I'm just trying to take care of these
4, 3,
He looks
2,
clean.
1. Cool. Let's go. This fucking
Happy New Year, everybody, huh?
Yo, we out here. This New Year's our fucking bitch. We gonna make it cool.
I was thinking about turning this club, into a gym called Resolutions, and we'd have workout equipment in here for 2 weeks, and then after 2 weeks, it would become a bar.
I was thinking about going in half with RH. She had a really good idea. She has a business called Thoughts and Tots. So it's gonna be like a strip club, but it's gonna have a daycare for all the, you know what I'm saying, all the Thoughts kids. Okay, cool. That's smart right there.
Or you could have a little pageant. You could have a little pageant with the little girls in the bikinis like cuties, huh? You want to do that?
Bro, that shit is so bad.
You
That
sick
shit's
fuck.
bad.
You're a sick fuck, Bird. I know you are on the Sesame Street, and I know you had a very young following. I know nobody's ever pressed a charge. Nothing but nice things to say. Never pressed a charge. But aren't we getting a little low for that? Aren't we getting a little low for Cuties Part 3? Huh? Do we really want to do that with RH? Hey, if it makes money, it makes money. I don't give a fuck. I'll send Frank over with
Hey,
the
man,
shit.
we're going to keep it separate. We're not going to get the tots involved with the thoughts. It's just going to be an area for all the strippers that keep their children, you know what I'm saying? And then we go.
Nobody ever means for nothing to get nobody get involved. Nobody ever means for
thank you, love. Let's go.
A smoking hot 12-year-old piece of ass. Nobody ever intends for that smoking hot 12-year-old daughter in a fucking polka dotted bikini to end up sitting fucking halfway down on Big Bird's beak. But it happened. Huh?
You're a savage.
But it happened, huh? And when I'm not holding against it, and I'm saying I said it outright. I said it at the beginning.
Fucking with kids.
I said it from the beginning. Nobody pressed the charge. It never happened, huh? It never happened. Why you want to take another chance with RH, huh? Why you want to take a chance at 2021, huh? Yeah, maybe you need to, huh? Maybe it's a new thing. Maybe we do another Netflix special, huh?
Facts.
Yeah, we come over and say, my fucking fucking middle school a whore daughter, part 3. I don't know. I don't give a fuck.
Bird is OG. Even if you lower yourself for a reason, you still have your integrity. Let's go. That's right, love. So let me let me get you that cool.
Running her head through my fro, bouncing on 24s. Why they say look at radio? Hot and fresh to ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every man in munition. Sipping on coke and rum, I'm like, so what, I'm done. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm about to have me some fun.
Good call.
Woo!
Thank you, love.
Getting cold out here. Getting cold out here in the street, bro. I went back home yesterday. You want to know what my apartment building looked like? It looked like this.
Let's go. Stop.
It's fucking crazy, huh? That's my fucking apartment building. It used to look like a regular fucking Brooklyn flat. Now it's an ice castle. What happened, huh?
I'm fucking dead. Good night, Birdie. Jody, thank you so much, love. Have a good night. Stock, bro. You're a savage. He clapped. I used to have a nice Brooklyn flat in Park Slope. Now it's a fucking, it looks like an ice castle, huh? You got little minions walking in and out. You got to get Frankie! Come back here! Come back. We haven't even. It's New Year's Day. Where could you possibly be going on? Where could you possibly be going on New Year's Day? You're not allowed to drive. I'm not paying you triple time, Frankie. Frankie, I'm not paying. Frankie. Hannah, you fucking did that just the perfect time. You racked up enough in truck insurance claims enough last year, Frank. Frankie! Let's go. Let's go. What do we gotta do to get an ice dragon, huh? Who spun more wheels than us, huh? Spun more wheels than us? I think we should fire Frankie and he could drive a bus, huh? Who spun more wheels than us? Nobody, bro. We still didn't get one motherfucking ice dragon and spun like billions of wheels. Crazy. I wonder what it looked like. What color is it? Have you ever seen one? Have you seen a screenshot? Yeah, I've seen the gift once, bro. It's like 40 seconds. It's fucking it's on another level than any other gift, man. It's just really, really cool. Fucking better be. I mean, for 200 grand, huh? For 200 grand. Hey, bro, it's crazy. That's like how much my apartment in my ice castle, huh? If you thought it out. Oh, man. Anybody who's fucking new, favorite me and favorite motherfucking stock. We out here. We got options. All right. Hello, Sesame Street family. What up, Candy? Candy girl. You want to see what I look like when I walked out of my apartment the other day, huh? You want to see? I look like this. I was freezing my nuts off. Let's go. He said I was freezing my nuts off. This is me, huh? This is a video from me yesterday, huh? I was still playing it cool. Get it? I was playing it cool because my nuts were frozen. Candy's Candace. Like
cookies.
So favorite motherfucking cookie, and hit me with that favorite up top too, right next to my name. We out here. Join the fucking Nest family.
Yeah. Anybody doesn't like what they see, huh? You need to get your head examined. You gotta screw loose, huh? You gotta screw loose. You gotta screw loose, and you got a pair of deuces, huh? Screw looses and a pair of deuces, you fucking loser.
Let's go. You already know. Eat my cookie. Oh, Hannah, don't threaten us with a good time. Fuck you mean.
If you're in this room right now and you're not fixing a gift 15K, go away. Go away and drop Holly a pumpkin. We don't give a fuck about you. We want big Brooklyn ballers in the house.
Cool. I just want bird and cookie at the same time. Oh my God, girl, I don't roll that way. I'm sorry. There can only be one fucking bird, one beak at a time, right? Only chickadees. Me and Cookie go back to back. We go back to back. No book cool. Cool. Let's go.
Queen Hannah, you know what Queen Hannah did? She got a 600 piece for herself, and she has two kids. One is named 600-01, and the other's named 600-02. And she got two 600 pieces for them too. And you know she spent them in fucking 7 hours, and a good portion of it was on Bird. A good portion of it was on Bird. What did you do with your stimulus check, huh? What did you do? Did you go to the doctor and get a prostate exam, you fucking faggot, huh? I'm 51 years old. My asshole feels great. Send the gift. Send the fucking gift, you faggot, huh? Stop paying for stuff to get shoved up your ass by quote-unquote medical professionals. They don't fucking lie to you. They just love fondling your asshole. But gift Bird right now. Or I'll drown myself like stock. That seemed to work. It seemed to get some diamonds.
I'm fucking dead. Savagery.
My battery is gonna die, and you gotta fly, huh? My battery is gonna die, and you gotta fly. So why don't you spread those wings, spread that beak, huh? I think it would be neat. Go out and fucking bomb on these motherfuckers.
Yeah. All right. Let's do it.
Like a B2 bomb on these motherfuckers.
Let's fucking do it, bro. Fucking drive over them like Frank. We out here.
I'm saying, bro. Happy New Year, everybody.
Yo, everybody fucking favorite stock option right now. Let's go. Head of fucking security, my right-hand man, fucking ride or die brothers right there. I appreciate you, stock.